dear friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Rachel. I would like to thank my beautiful friend Lili. She sent me this package. One of her, I think it's anniversary photos on Facebook. I comment on that photo. She had a picture of her and her husband. So I greeted them a happy anniversary to both of you. And by the way, I like your earrings. It looks gorgeous and beautiful like hers. So she responded to my comment and she said, thank you, and she's gonna get me a pair. I know it's been a while. I apologize, Lili, for too late to post this video. You see her picture right here. She's wearing a beautiful earrings, and I know she's beautiful, guys. She told me that, send me your address, and I know I didn't forget you, and here it is. The one that she's wearing on the picture is kind of a minty color or mint. She sent me a white one, so I'm going to try this on, guys. And right now I'm wearing an earrings and I'm going to take it off. You know, I wasn't expecting this one, really. I'm sure I will love it. Oh my gosh, so dangly. I'm going to try this. This is so huge. I never have a huge earrings before, or I mean, not okay. It's not like this, you know, but I love jewelry too. Oh wow. That is a very big one. Okay. That is so huge. That is a very, very beautiful, you know, earrings, and yay. I like it. But anyway, it's a different style. This is a flower earrings and it's humongous. I never have this, you know, humongous earrings before, but yes. If you have any questions, guys, just leave a comment down below. Thank you, Lili, for sending this. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.